Hi, I'm Monte, and welcome to the next exciting episode of Coke and Strippers, where you always get the full Monte. And today we're going to be unboxing the most ridiculous electronic, internet-enabled appliance that I have ever purchased from Amazon at 3 a.m. in the morning. Yeah. And today we're going to do a little stripping using my favorite tool. This story begins with a conversation with a friend of mine discussing internet toasters. And he said, who would ever want an internet toaster? I mean, you have to be there to put the toast in, to get it out. It's not like it works itself. Hey, what's this? Go Doc. And I said, surely somebody's going to want an internet toaster. And we searched and searched, and I couldn't find an internet toaster. There was like a Kickstarter. If you know of a real internet toaster, give me a heads up. Really, I want one. But I couldn't find one for real. Until one night, I woke up at 3 a.m., checked to make sure there's still bullets in the gun, and looked, and I saw an article about an internet-enabled, Alexa-enabled microwave oven.
You want to enable?
Oh, shut up, Alexa. And
I found a few matches. You need
Alexa, stop. A what's her name enabled microwave oven, which is a good reason that Amazon should allow locking of your ordering, like between, I'd say, like 1 a.m. and 4:30 a.m. No ordering on Amazon, right? Or you might end up with an Alexa-enabled microwave.
I can't find that skill. Find skills. Go to the skills section of the Alexa app.
You probably will. So what do we have in this box? Oh, nice packaging. Look, heavy-duty plastic. I mean, that's a nice plastic right there. I don't know what for yet, but that's some good stuff. We've got some cardboard. We've got some glassy styrofoam, or ring things like your normal microwave, right? We've got some styrofoam. And we have what is apparently the replacement for my existing microwave, which was destroyed in an unfortunate large overvoltage situation. And Alexa enabled a microwave. God, she didn't answer this time. Which she's not supposed to when you say her name in the middle of a sentence. More black plastic that should definitely be thrown away, which I will probably keep because it's pretty. Don't be a packer. Alright, I think that's everything in the box. Now, what's in the bag? Alright. Oh, I like this blue sealing tape, whatever. It's very pretty. Little tape here on the back. We have a power cord. North American standard, normally about 300 volts, well, 120, it just occasionally gets to 300. And on the front, we have, oh, looks like I lost something already. I don't know what this thing is. Maybe it's a foot, probably a foot. Warning, warning, this bag is not a toy. This isn't a bag. That was a bag. This bag is not a toy. To avoid the possibility of suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. Do not use in cribs, beds, carriages, or playpens. This thin film may cling to nose. This is a thin film. Not a bag. Not a bag. Remove protective film before use. Oh, y'all, remove protective film before use. All right, let's remove the protective film before we use it. It's kind of hard. film removed. Now let's see if I can figure out where this foot goes. Probably somewhere on the bottom. Yep, sure enough. These feet have rubber inserts. I managed to pull one of them out. That's okay. I managed to stick it back in. Normally it would throw away the directions, but with an what's her name enabled device, probably wants some directions. If I can find them. Directions. This is a very, very thin direction mix. These instructions are very short. They basically say, don't set yourself on fire, lock out your kids, to reduce the risk of fire in the cavity. Sounds like a bad thing. Radio frequency communication, operating instructions, time to cook, and finally, Wi-Fi Connect. Connecting your Wi-Fi Connect enabled microwave oven on some models. You'll need to know your home Wi-Fi password. Download a GE Appliance app to start. I'm not putting in a GE app on my phone. You kidding me? I'll put it on my burner phone. Follow the app on-screen instructions, yada yada yada. Visit geappliances.com/connect my microwave. Connect my microwave. For the record, GE does not sponsor me in any way, shape, or form. I do not speak for GE. GE does not speak for me. Nobody bought me this. It comes with a whole new Echo Dot. Excellent. Because I might be across the room and realize that my food isn't hot enough because it doesn't smell hot enough. And I'll be able to say, Alexa, turn on the microwave for another 30 seconds. And poof, the microwave will turn on.
I'm not quite sure what went wrong.
Yeah, me either. Because I can tell from across the room that my food needs to be turned on or off or up or down. And that's all there is to it. This Alexa enabled Wi-Fi powered microwave thingy. Won't the microwave interfere with a Wi-Fi connection?
I don't know that one.
Thank you, Alexa.
So my blood pressure's gone up today. I've had a time with this microwave using Alexa. And they talk to each other.